Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify landing page quality using PageSpeed and GA4 detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Google PageSpeed Insights. Enter the URL of your landing page in the designated field. Click on the Analyze button to generate a report. Once the report is generated, review both the mobile and desktop scores. Focus on the performance section to identify key metrics. Pay attention to the first contentful paint and speed index values. These indicators show how quickly your page loads visual content. Next, evaluate the opportunities section for actionable insights. Implement suggestions like image optimization and script deferring. Head over to your Google Analytics 4 property. Navigate to the Acquisition tab in GA4. Select Traffic Acquisition to analyze incoming traffic sources. Check the performance of your landing pages in the report. Look for engagement metrics such as bounce rate and average engagement time. Identify landing pages with low engagement and high bounce rates. Cross-reference these pages with the PageSpeed Insights results. Observe any correlation between slow load times and high bounce rates. If you find a correlation, prioritize optimizing those pages. Run A/B tests to measure the impact of your optimizations. Use Google Optimize or other A/B testing tools for this purpose. Monitor metrics after changes to assess improvement. Regularly revisit both PageSpeed Insights and GA4. Continuous monitoring will help maintain landing page quality over time. Incorporate user feedback to enhance content and usability. This holistic approach will ensure a consistently high-performing landing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.